Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to set Chrome as a default browser on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open the PC that you're going to use to follow the tutorial step. Of course, it should contain the Windows 11. If you are a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings to upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free. Of course, you can even run the installation into the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. And you will not have any problems doing this. Of course, your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem. And once the download finish, you will find yourself with a notification that's asking you to restart or to reboot your PC, so you will have your Windows 11 ready to use. Don't worry, the upgrade from Windows 10 to 11 will not delete any files or app from your PC, so it's just gonna upgrade the Windows 10 into 11. Of course, you'll have even a recovery point if you want to go into your Windows 10. So if you're having some issues, you can go back, but I promise when you get used to a Windows 11, you will like it even much better. My opinion, of course. And as we said in the beginning of the video, is we would like to set Chrome as a default browser. So if you want to do that, we would like to just click at the Windows key on my keyboard or click at the Windows key here. Once I do that, I would like to type default apps and click on that. Oh, sorry, I shouldn't do that. I write it like wrong. So write default, defaults. Yeah, no good, I guess. Okay, I'm still writing it. Yeah, now it's good. Apps, and of course, click on that, and that should open this for you. Now, what you would like to do is just look for the Google Chrome. Of course, you can just go and type Chrome here. For me, I don't have it, but let's use this browser as an example, Brave. So just click on it, and now you would like to set everything here on the Google Chrome, especially this HTTP and HTTPS. Make sure to select this two especially to Google Chrome, and that will make it as your default browser. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.